going to start on the outside and work our way in. Okay, on the outside, the frog has a nictitating membrane, which is like a transparent eyelid right here. It protects the eye while swimming underwater. We have the tympanic membrane that keeps the water out, okay, so they can hear, okay, when water is close by. In the mouth, we have two types of teeth. We have the vomeron teeth, which is on the roof of the mouth. Can you guys see that on the video? I want to enlarge it. Okay, there's two teeth right here. It's kind of small, but I'm pointing at one, and here's the other.
Yeah.
Okay, those are the vomeron teeth. Then we have the maxillary teeth along the rim of the mouth. You won't see it, but if you take a tweezer or a stick and scrape it, you can feel hundreds of tiny teeth there. Okay, those are the vomeron teeth. Over here we have two openings here, called the eustachian tube. If I put this through the eustachian tube, you can see that it's coming out the tympanic membrane, right? It keeps the ear dry, but it also equalizes the air pressure. Now over here, we have two different openings. Yours is too dark, Sam. I don't know how you lighten that up. We have a slit here. I'm going to try to open up that slit. It's okay. So let's put this underneath. There's a slit here. Do you see that? I can't open it with one. There you go. You see that slit right there? That one right there? That's the glottis, okay? That's the opening for air to go into the lungs. Now behind it, back here, okay, we have the esophagus. Okay, that's for food going to the stomach. So we have the esophagus, and we have the glottis right here. Okay, glottis is much smaller. Then we have the tongue right here. Let's go over the internal parts now. Now here we have the heart. The heart's covered by mesentery, which keeps all the organs and the structures inside bundled tightly together. We're going to tear some of that out. So we have the heart here, 3 chambers, 2 atriums, 1 ventricle. We have 3 lobes of the liver, 1, 2, and 3. Underneath the right lobe of the liver, we should see the gallbladder. It's right there. This is the gallbladder, stores bile. We also see the right lung. It's kind of like a raisin because it's deflated now. We have some fat bodies here, this orange colored structure. Over here we have the left lung. We have the stomach, J-shaped organ. Now at the end of the stomach, we can see these tubes that kind of go in and out. They roll around all over, and eventually it tapers right here and it becomes big. This is the end of the small intestines. This is the beginning of the large intestines. Okay, so this is large intestine here. Again, these are fat bodies. Underneath the fat bodies, we should see the kidney. And if we tear up some of this mesentery here, you should be able to see it. Okay, so there's a brown, I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but this, oh, here it is. There's a kidney right here. Okay, that's the right kidney. It's flat, it's very dark. Okay, these are seminiferous tubules. You don't have to worry about that. That's a male. Okay, here's the left kidney, right over here. Now on the left side, we also have the spleen. Looks like a little bean. Do you see that right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, these fat bodies are kind of blocking the view, but that's the spleen. Produces white blood cells. And we're almost done. Down here we have the urinary bladder. Okay, it's just a pouch right now because it's empty. Okay? Urinary bladder to store urine. And there's a cloaca deep down, but we can't see it. But the cloaca is where the reproductive and excretory system meet. This is the vent right here. It's about this. It's like this area here underneath the muscle. So if you point at this area here and just tell me it's the cloaca underneath the muscle, I'll give you credit for it. Okay. I think I've covered all the parts. The most difficult thing to see here is probably the spleen because we have so many fat bodies. So you guys can remove some of this so that's more visible. Okay? And then we have some more mesentery here. That's it.
Okay.